So we have a busted copper line that runs through the water system. So in order to repair it, we're gonna have to cut back into the bank on the left about 5 inches, place a coupling there, and then do up to 18 inches of repair to the other side for the water will be able to work again. But because it's K copper, you cannot solder it. So we're gonna go up here and get 2 3/4 copper couplings. Do you have like the ones with the compression? I don't have the crimp, you know what I'm talking about? Compression valve. Yeah, you can't pro press. And see what it is, it's a thin wall copper. When water's hitting it, it stiffens itself. But when there's no water on it, it's just flimsy. So if you try to solder it or you try to pro press it with no water pressure going to it, it's too thin, it collapses. That's why we're able to bend it so easy. Yes. No, it's copper. And this is a compression coupler. You see this? We're gonna stick that pipe. One in here, one in there. They're gonna meet in the middle. It's called a compression gasket. It's got a rubber ring, sort of like you take of a clamp or a zip tie inside there. When this cranks down, the metal gasket inside of it, it's gonna grab a hold of the pipe, lock it in, so it can't come out. So basically, 2 pipes will meet in the middle. This will lock it in there, no water can get out of it. If you're using a Pro Press one, with it being thin copper, you take the chance of squeezing it, bending it, or crimping it. Same thing when you solder it. It's too weak of a copper to try that. I've seen people break them. It's not the prettiest sight.